Surprising move. A Mississippi judge has ordered a local newspaper to remove an editorial criticizing city leaders.
Yeah, Joe, this comes after the Clarksdale Board of Mayor and Commissioners voted to unanimously pursue legal action against the Clarksdale Press Register for libel. Action News 5's Bria Bolden shares what led to this lawsuit and why a lawyer and the owner of the paper say the city's suit is against the law.
When you have city officials and lawyers who bring a lawsuit like this, it should raise a big red flag that you're going into a court and saying, Your Honor, we want you to order a newspaper to delete an editorial.
The Clarksdale Press Register has been the small Mississippi city's newspaper since 1865. It now finds itself in hot water. The city sued the newspaper for libel after it published an editorial piece titled Secrecy Deception Erode Public Trust February 8th after they say a notice of the Board of Mayor and Commissioners meeting on a tax proposal on alcohol, marijuana, and tobacco was not sent to media. The piece is no longer available online, and according to the lawsuit, the piece questioned if city leaders may be receiving, quote, kickbacks, among other claims. A judge ruled Tuesday the newspaper had to remove the piece.
The city admitted they didn't tell them about the meeting. And the newspaper did exactly what newspapers are supposed to do. They asked questions and they shared their opinion saying, we don't think what's going on here is appropriate. We don't think what's going on here is above board.
Attorney Adam Steinball with the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression says under Mississippi law, the city is supposed to notify the public, including media, about meetings, and the newspaper's criticism is protected under the First Amendment. Action News 5 reached out to the editor of the Press Register, Floyd Ingram. He told us he had no comment. The president of the newspaper's parent company told the Associated Press they will fight the temporary restraining order.
And there was nothing wrong or untruthful in the editorial, and it was an editorial. It wasn't even an article. It was a piece of opinion. But the main thing is the U.S. Supreme Court has said a government entity cannot sue for libel. You just can't do that.
The Clarksdale city attorney told Action News 5, quote, the city touts this as a victory for truth. Not even newspapers can imply lies against city officials conducting city business and get away with it. A hearing on the city's restraining order is set for February 27th. Reporting in Clarksdale, Bria Bolden, Action News 5.